Hey my friends, how are you? So the weather's terrible at the moment. I think we've got a storm coming and Elsie's really unhappy. Heaps of lightning and stuff, but that's alright. It makes for a good modelling time. So I'm working on this Panther here, getting it ready for the Korsun pocket. Now I can't remember the exact division I'm talking about. It was a newly formed division to break through to the Korsun pocket. These guys started off with 70, so a full complement of Panthers. Alright, and by the end of 2 days of fighting, they had 17 left. That was it. So that's a part of this crew. And even when these guys in this particular division, I'll work it out what it was, but in this particular division, when they were getting ready and putting their Panthers on the trains, one of the Panthers caught fire just on the train and they lost it there. A lot of the Panthers didn't get taken out from enemy action either. They just set on fire, and they got 2 bird Panthers in their unit as well, and one of the bird Panthers caught on fire. So seems like me that a lot of these Panthers, the Ds and the As, were just catching on fire, especially in the engine area. They weren't very reliable like your Panther 4 or your Panther 3. But they were very rushed. But I'm just getting it nice and winter washed. So bringing that white out a lot more. And I've got a few more things to do, so we'll add some gravy and all that kind of stuff to bring it back a bit. But it's looking really cool. So the Korsun pocket, very important, and this one is Totenkopf. So after the Battle of Kursk, these guys had to pull back to it's a place called like Kryvyi Rog or something like that. It's got this place called Nikopol, and now why Totenkopf was sent to defend that region at that time is because that has the best quality manganese. I'm not saying it right, but you know what I mean. Manganese in the world there. And Hitler was quoted saying that if we lose the Nikopol manganese, we can't express the loss in words, that the war will be over. But I think he said that about a lot of things. But yeah, so that's why the Totenkopf was there, and that's what this one's going to be for. So I'm thinking about this guy as the commander, and he's sort of there just shouting at someone on the ground. So I'm not sure yet, but this one will definitely get this crew, I reckon. This resin crew. And they're trying to, because to get their Stug reinforcements, they had to shoot some flares up. So that'll be that scene. But that's what's going on there, guys. I'm going to get back to it because it's a very nice weather for modelling. And I'll speak to you again soon.